this is a most unusual angle here. Okay, I think I can turn it about 90 degrees now and make it a little easier to get the top. Now, I don't know what color this hatch would have normally been. I'm going to think about it for a while. This brush is definitely not going to do the nice job that the airbrush would have done, but just do the best we can here. Now I concluded that these two little pieces right here were supposed to be painted a different color, of course. Now, because I'm finding it very, very hard to actually do a good job, I'm not going to be painting these. This is an example of where I was saying I think it will look a lot better not painted than painted. I'm going to have to go all around this with my fine brush here and the deck tan and clean up places where I've obviously, gone onto the deck with the gray. Now, normally I would put the macro lens on here so that you can see nice and close. However, I'm not having very good luck here. Oh my. I am sitting here watching this last scene just like you are right now. And I'm thinking to myself, what's gone wrong here? It went so much better the other day. And then I realized I can't properly support my hands. And I'm thinking if I was to make some kind of a bridge that would go across the deck that I could rest the weight of my arms or hands on and steady everything, I'd probably have a lot better luck. And there's another thing that's wrong. I'm not a gifted, delicate painter. Bob Ross, I am not. Anyway, I'm going to work on that. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow, all being well.